Safety days is very important to me, and it's important to the whole maintenance department. It's where we all come together, collaborate, we get all the data and the analytics from the year before, see what the ups and the downs are, see what we're in the middle, see what we're trending high in, and we get down in the weeds of things and get down and see what's hurting or getting us in trouble, putting us in bad positions, maybe where we can put ourselves in a better position to make us more successful out on the highway. And at the end of the day, that's what we're here to do, and we have a great day at doing this.
And we're talking about working together. What's the importance of teamwork when you're out there on the road?
Teamwork's huge. You can't do anything out there by yourself. If the road's too big, there's too many obstacles out there, and it really takes a team to put this all together to make it successful.
And this year, Slips and Falls used to be the theme of safety days. How did that become the theme, and why is that important?
Well, I think that's where we're trending right now. We're seeing a lot of injuries from the slips and falls, and I think we're trying to really get the team participation in there.
And we're here with a vehicle. If you would, is this where some of the slips and falls tend to occur? And
would 3 points of contact. All I'm telling you, 3 points of contact is very important out there, especially when you're out on the roadway. Those little steps really help. Taking your time out there, paying attention, looking around in your surroundings, things of that nature.
Would you be willing to do a demonstration of what 3 points
Sure.
of contact is?
So this is your 3-point stance right here. You got your handle here. So 1, 2, 3, lift, go up. Hands are completely in here at all times. Completely in, and make sure you put your seatbelt on.